Now after reading, we will do exercise of vowel E. First question is, fill in the blanks with vowel E. First word, H, E, N, hand, B, E, D, bed, J, E, T, jet, B, E, double L, bell, L, E, G, leg, D, double E, P, deep. Now repeat again. H, E, N, hand, B, E, D, bed, J, E, T, jet, B, E, double L, bell, L, E, G, leg, D, double E, P, deep. Next question is, match the rhyming words. First word is P, E, N, pen. We will match with 10. T, E, N, 10. Pen, 10. Okay. Next word is B, E, D, bed. B, E, D, bed. We will match with red. R, E, D, red. R, E, D, red. Next one is B, double E, B. B, double E, B. We will match with C. S, double E, C. S, double E, C. J, E, T, jet. J, E, T, jet. We will match with net. N, E, T, net. N, E, T, net. Next word is J, double E, P, jeep. J, double E, P, jeep. We will match with D, double E, P, deep. We will revise again. P, E, and pen. T, E, and 10. Pen, 10. B, E, D, bed. R, E, D, red. Bed, red. Bed, red. Loud beta, speak loud. B, double E, B. S, double E, C. B, double E, B. S, double E, C. J, E, T, jet. J, E, T, jet. N, E, T, net. Jet, net. J, double E, P, jeep. D, double E, P, deep. Okay, beta, you will do your work in your fair notebook. Okay, see you again in my next video.